How to fix Bluetooth grayed out issue on iPhone after iOS 16. Hello everyone, I am Bishaka and welcome to our channel Create, Login and Delete. Let's get right into the tutorial. This issue can be caused due to hardware or software problem. So firstly, open App Store on your device and look for Hardware Tester app. You can search for Phone Doctor Plus and download the application. Once downloaded, launch the app and check your Bluetooth from there. If you still have issues, then that might be because of hardware problem. Nevertheless, you can also try few other methods to see if it works. Firstly, launch the Settings application on your device. Tap on General and then on Software Update and make sure your iPhone is updated to the latest version of iOS. The latest version is crucial to maintain optimal performance, and it can also resolve any issues on your iPhone as Apple regularly releases updates that addresses bugs and improve overall functionality. Next, in general again, scroll down and tap on Transfer or Reset iPhone, then on Reset and then on Reset All Settings. Enter your passcode and reset all settings. Doing this will reset all settings. Nevertheless, none of your data or media will be deleted. Your iPhone will take an auto restart now. See if your problem is fixed or not. If not, you will have to take your iPhone to Apple Store and fix it further. If you find this tutorial helpful, do subscribe to our channel. Thank you for staying with us until the end.